Buy a fully ripe nectarine and take out its pit and then take out the seed. Soak the seed in water for 1 day. Then wrap it in a damp kitchen towel and enclose it in a polythene sheet or bag. Place it in the fridge for the needed 1 to 3 months chill period for seeds to sprout. When the seed produces sprout, plant it in soil to grow seedling. The ideal pot size is 60 cm diameter and 55 cm height. Young plant in a too big pot can rot roots due to excessive moisture. So start with a smaller pot and later on transfer it in a bigger pot as nectarines grow better if their roots are slightly crowded in the pot. Avoid tall pots with narrow base. They become unstable as the plant grows. They may fall in wind. Whatever container you use, it should have plenty of drainage holes for good drainage. Standing water in pot may kill the plant. Nectarine grows well in full sun, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Sunlight reduces the chances of getting any diseases on your tree. Full sun produces high quality fruit. Nectarines grow best in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9. Needs well drained soil, cannot tolerate waterlogged soils even for short periods. Change the soil in 2-3 years to add nutrients. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 15% river sand, and 15% compost. The compost makes the soil nutrition rich while the sand makes it free draining. Needs to be watered frequently as nectarines are heavy drinkers. Water only when the top 1 inch soil gets dry. Prune your plant to grow multiple branches to reduce the height of the tree and make it bushy. First prune when the plant is quite young. Feed the tree in early spring with high phosphorus and potassium fertilizer. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the pot and mix in soil. Then put a layer of cow manure or compost. Put some mulch like sugarcane mulch to contain humidity in the soil and then water. Feed a liquid fertilizer like Power Feed or Miracle Grow every 2 weeks from the growing period to encourage flowers and fruit. Nectarine tree flowers and fruits. Nectarines are self-pollinating, so other tree is not needed for pollination. Nectarine tree start to bear fruits in 2 to 3 years after seed planting. Produces fruits every year for about 12 years. To make nectarines bigger, thin out the fruit on the tree after fruit set so that the nectarines you leave on the tree can grow to their full size. Remove about half of the fruits. Nectarines continue to ripen after picking from the tree. Keep them in the fridge to slow down the ripening process. Common pests on nectarine are aphids, fruit fly, beetles, mites, scale, thrips, borer, etc., which can cause leaf curl, brown spots on leaves and blossoms, wilted leaves, and fungal problems. Spray copper fungicide to control leaf curl and other fungal problems. Spray neem oil on leaves and stems to control pests. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil, 1 milliliter pest oil, and a few drops of dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray. Nectarine tree problems. Leaves curling or turning yellow and falling, either fertilizer deficiency or a fungal problem. No fruits may be due to lack of nutrition, no sunlight, or lack of chill hours for tree needs to develop fruit.